Here's I will show you how to enable dual app in Samsung Galaxy A16 device. Go ahead and open your settings app. In settings app, go down and tap on advanced features. Here you have to tap on dual messenger, and under available apps, here you will find your installed apps. Those apps supports dual messenger feature. For example, I want to set up dual WhatsApp, so I'm just turning on WhatsApp from here, tapping on install, confirm, and next. Okay, and it may take some moments to create dual app. Once done, I'm going to my app library, and here we can see my primary WhatsApp, and this is my secondary WhatsApp app. And if you want to duplicate Instagram, Messenger, Imo, or anything else, just install the specific app in your device and go to settings, and that's how from here you will be able to easily duplicate any app. Thanks for watching.